Hi guys, welcome back. In this video we're amending the roof. There are a few particulars that we need to go through in this video. Let's get started by first configuring the main roof. For this we're going to be going into floor slabs and going into sloped roof here. Let's select the slope roof for 0.3 meters, and we're first going to create the top one and then the bottom one. So okay, so you see now I'm having a problem getting to the corner. What I can do is toggle this orthogonality tool, and now I'm only allowed to go at right angles. Oh, that was the wrong angle. Moving up. Perfect, so there's one. Let's go for number two. Oh, I wasn't completely on it. There we are. So down. And there's our second one. Now let's introduce the elevation changes in the roof. By doing so, these arrows correspond to the direction of slope, and we have the apex on the corner here, the highest level. So we need to introduce an elevation change along this line. We can do that by zooming into the corners here. See how I'm now introducing the elevation change of the slab in which doesn't the one that hasn't been shaded. Sorry, so the top one here. If I click now, I can go to introduce elevation changes and amend that to 0.5 meters. Go to the other side as well, and as you can see, the top slab is not shaded, meaning that I'm about to amend it. So introduce elevation changes 0.5 meters. We need to do that on the bottom as well. So if you come here, if I try to find I need to turn this off, and also snap to grid. I'm going to leave that on and turn this one off. As you can see here, if I want to introduce an elevation change to this, let me turn all this off. So this is a point where we need to turn off our elevation changes. Okay, turn off our snaps. So now the bottom slab is unshaded, so I'm going to introduce the same elevation change, 0.5 meters, so that it coincides with the other one. So back again here, and now that is 0.5 meters. Perfect. So now on the bottom here, we have the parallel lines, and another arrow facing downwards. We've come across a problem with the top here, with the top slab, strictly because it's a different shape and it's not exactly a rectangle, because we have these two levels. Imagine us going down. We only truly get to a elevation of 0 at the bottom here. At these 2 points, the elevation is 0. At these points here, these 4 points, there needs to be a calculated elevation. So how to do that? We go to the bottommost points. So that's this point, and I'm going to introduce the elevation change of 0. Now, as you can see, I've introduced the changes. If that's 0, this one must be 0. As you can see, it's been calculated. And here, you can see that it's also been calculated, and it's 0.099 meters, and that'll be across the level. So that's it, guys. We can see that we've created another point there, and you can see that the roof has been amended. Let's go into our 3D view. Why not? And you can see that we have elevation changes in the roof at this point, and they span across the two sides. Okay, let's move on to these slabs here. Floor slab, we're going to flat roof, and I'm going to introduce as 0.4 meters. Turn on my object snaps again, of course, my template snaps, and let's go around. I'm going to turn on my orthogonality tool. Oh, let's try that again. Orthogonality tool. all the way across. And there's one. Let's create the next one. We can turn this one off now. So there's one, there's 2 points, there's 3. Now, was there a change here? No, perfect. So I can submit those changes as well. Now, what I need to do is introduce an elevation change on this slab as well, because if we can have a look, I need it to actually fit on top of the slab, on top of the columns, right? And now it's actually existing within the wall. So we can go to floor slabs, and we're going to introduce elevation changes in horizontal partitions. So let's hover over that, and this elevation change is going to be 0.4 meters. Perfect. And now we've configured our roof completely. There we go. We can see that there's a gap here for guttering services and stuff like that. And that's basically our finished product, guys. This is, well, the architectural elements. This is our finished product. In the next video, we're going to be going through allocating the spaces from basement. And we're going to be moving up, and hopefully by the end we're going to have a fully coordinated space references bibliography. Okay guys, awesome. See you guys in the next video. Bye.